Hello children, welcome to the new academic year 2020-21. Let me introduce myself. My name is Annapurna. I deal social. Actually, social science is very interesting subject, children. You will study about our country India, our government, our past and our surroundings. Suppose your friend invited you for a birthday party. You want to go to your friend's home. If your parents know the address, they will take you. If they do not know the address, what will you do? You will turn on your mobile. Then you find the location in the mobile. Right children? GPS also one kind of map. Nowadays we have very much advanced technology. So people are using GPS to find location. But earlier those people didn't have this kind of technology. So they used maps to find location, children. Today we are going to discuss about maps. We will learn about maps. In this lesson, we are going to discuss about what is a map, who is cartographer, what is his work, what is GPS, and what are the uses of maps. These are the topics we are going to discuss. The first one is map. Now, I am going to show you one object. Everybody observe carefully, children. See here, what is this? This is a globe. Globe is the model of the earth, children. Exact model of the earth. We can see all continents, countries, seas and oceans here. As it is in spherical shape, we cannot see entire world at a time, children. If you want to see opposite side countries, we need to rotate this globe. We need to rotate this globe. Then only we can see opposite side countries. But if you put this globe in a rectangular form, we can see the map of the world. See here. If you put this globe in a rectangular form, we can see map of the world. On the world map also, we can see all continents and oceans. So, which continent is this? North America. Below of this, we can see South America. Next to the South America, we can see Africa. Above the Africa, we can see Europe. Next to Europe, we can see Asia. Asia is our continent, children. We all are living in this continent. And here we can see small continent. What is this? Australia. And down white part is there, that is Antarctica. Totally we have 7 continents. Can we locate India here, children? Where is our India? India is in Asian continent. See here, this is our India, which I marked with black. Right, children? We can locate India in the Asian continent. Now we will discuss about cartographer. Who is a cartographer? Cartographer is a person who creates or design a map. It may be world map, country map, state map or any bus route map. That particular person is called cartographer. Cartographer work is called cartography. Cartographer work is called cartography. Those who have interest and knowledge in geography and environment can do this work. But making maps is not an easy job, children. It is very difficult. Who has knowledge in geography and environment can do this one. If you have interest, then you can also try it. Now we will see next one. GPS. What is GPS? What is the full form of GPS? GPS means Global Positioning System. The full form of GPS is Global Positioning System. Do you know how it works? Yes, it works completely based on signals from satellites. Where will be the satellites? Satellites will be in the space around the earth. Satellites will be in the space around the earth. GPS gets the information, gets the signals from these satellite, children. This is one type of process. GPS is a process those who are getting information. That particular person gets information from this satellite. Do you know who are using this GPS? Yes, most of the people are using. Those who want to locate exact place. Because all people are using GPS. Especially Ola cab drivers, Uber cab drivers. Next, this Zomato people, Swiggy people. These all people are using GPS to find location. Right, children? Now, we will see use of maps. The first one is map helps to show physical features, children. What are these physical features? Physical features also called as natural features of the earth. Land features and water bodies. Together called physical features of the earth. What are the land features? Hills, mountains, plains, valleys and deserts. These are the land features. Then what are the water bodies? Rivers, seas, oceans. These are the water bodies. Land features, water bodies. Together called as physical features of the earth. These all physical features we can see on a map. Physical map. Can you see different colors here, children? Yes, we have different colors. These different colors represent different features of the earth. Brown color represents hills and mountains. Yellow color represents deserts. Green color represents valleys, plains, lowlands. This blue color represents water bodies. By looking these colors, we can understand different features of the earth. Now, the second one, map helps to locate countries, states and cities also. See here, we can see 28 states here. Can you look at our state, children? Yes, here, purple color. This is our state. What is the name of our state? Andhra Pradesh. We all are living in Andhra Pradesh state. Suppose if you want to go to Haryana, you can take a map and you can locate where Haryana is. If you want to go to Jammu and Kashmir, then you can take a map and you can locate where Jammu and Kashmir is. By locating this, we can understand that which direction they are. Suppose if you want to go to Kerala, where is Kerala? Here. This is Kerala, green part. This is Kerala. You can locate easily on a map which state, which particular state is that. Now, the third one is map helps to find and travel to unknown places, children. This map helps to especially tourists, those who are traveling to unknown places. Suppose in the summer season, we like to travel to other cities or otherwise new places. So, the map helps to locate that particular place where it is. What are the important places are there? What are the important monuments are there? This full information it gives to us. Next one, fourth one, map helps to show additional information, children. What is that additional information? If you want to see in India, which states produce maximum wheat, which states produce maximum rice, this full information we will get. So, which states are producing maximum wheat, children? Punjab. See here Punjab, Haryana and Madhya Pradesh. These states produce maximum wheat. We can locate like this. And Rajasthan is special for desert. And Haryana is famous for plains. These all things we can locate on a map. And not only this, children, we can make a maps with states showing minerals, states showing forest and states showing fertile soils. This full information we can see on a map. Right, children? This is about map. So, 4 uses, children. Map helps to show physical features. Map helps to locate countries, cities, and it helps to travel to unknown places, and it gives additional information. So, what did we discuss today? About map, cartographer, cartography, GPS, and use of maps. Tomorrow we will discuss about features of map. Today, everybody go through with the homework. If you have any doubt, once again watch this video, then you can find the solutions. Thank you children. See you tomorrow.